Hello friends, let's make simple and delicious chicken karahi. And very first thing we need half cup of cooking oil. And then we will fry the chicken. Put some salt to taste. And then cover and fry for 5 minutes on a low heat. So after frying the chicken, now let's add 1 medium sized of onion. So after adding the half kilo of tomatoes, let's mix everything very well. And now let's add cumin seed powder, some red chili powder, and some black pepper. So after mixing everything very good, let's cover and cook for 15 minutes on a medium heat. So friends, simple and easy chicken karahi is ready. Thank you for watching. Keep smiling. Have a good day.